নমস্কাৰ, এয়া কেকেছ ব্লগ চাপতগ্ৰাম। আজি আলোচনা কৰিম কাৰেক্ট টেন্স SSLC অৰ্থাৎ হাইস্কুল শিক্ষান্ত পৰীক্ষাত অহা প্ৰশ্ন উত্তৰ 1996 চনৰ পৰা 2000 চনলৈকে যিবিলাক প্ৰশ্ন আহিছিল মেট্ৰিক পৰীক্ষাত সেইবিলাক আলোচনা কৰা হ'ব। প্ৰথমে লৈছো 1996 চনৰ প্ৰশ্ন। I write this letter since morning. মই এই চিঠিখন ৰাতিপুৱাৰ পৰা পঢ়ি আছো। যেহেতু ৰাতিপুৱাৰ পৰা পঢ়ি আছো প্ৰেজেন্ট perfect continuous tense, এইটোৰ উত্তৰ হ'ব I have been writing this letter since morning. যেহেতু তোমালোক দশম শ্ৰেণীৰ ছাত্ৰ ছাত্ৰী হে ইমানকৈ অসমীয়াৰে মই বুজাবলৈ নাযাওঁ, তেনেকৈ বুজাবলৈ গ'লে ভিডিঅ'টো বেছি দীঘলীয়া হ'ব। তাৰ পিছৰটো আছে you fail unless you work hard. You will fail unless you work hard. I have not seen him since we leave school. I have not seen him since we leave school. ইয়াৰে উত্তৰটো হ'ব I have not seen him since we left school. এইবাৰ যাম 1997 চনৰ প্ৰশ্ন। 1997 চনত যিবিলাক কাৰেক্ট টেন্স আহিছিল সেইবিলাক আলোচনা কৰিম। If you neglect your studies, you will fail. If you neglect your studies, you will fail. এইটো একেই হ'ব কাৰণ প্ৰেজেন্ট ইনডিফিনিট টেন্সত আছে। তুমি যদি তোমাৰ শিক্ষাক বা অধ্যয়নক যদি নেগলেক্ট কৰা বা অৱহেলা কৰা তেন্তে তুমি ফেল কৰিবা। I not meet him for a week. মই এসপ্তাহ ধৰি তেওঁক লগ পোৱা নাই। I have not met him for a week. The bus usually arrive here at 6 o'clock. The bus usually arrives. ইয়াতে কেৱল এছ যোগ হৈছে, যিহেতু সচৰাচৰ হয় প্ৰেজেন্ট ইনডিফিনিট টেন্স। থাৰ্ড পাৰ্চন হোৱাৰ কাৰণে এছটো যোগ হৈছে। 1998 চনত যিবিলাক প্ৰশ্ন আহিছিল সেইবিলাক এতিয়া লৈছো। When he entered my room, I write a letter. When he entered my room, I was writing a letter. তাৰ পিছৰটো লৈ আহিছো। The match start before we reach the field. The match had start before we reached the field. It is time you go home. It is time you went home. তাৰপিছত 1999 চনৰ প্ৰশ্ন কাকত লৈ গৈছো। I shall wait here until he back. খালী ঠাইত কি বহিব কাম বন্ধনীৰ ভিতৰত দিছে, অৰ্থাৎ I shall wait here until he come back. এইটোৰ উত্তৰ কি হ'ব? ইয়াৰে উত্তৰ হ'ব I shall wait here until he comes back. I not take my breakfast yet. I have not taken my breakfast yet. When he came in, I write a letter. When he came in, I was writing a letter. এবাৰ গৈছো 2000 চনৰ প্ৰশ্নলৈ। He walked across the road when a scooter hit him. He was walking across the road when a scooter hit him. তাৰ পিছৰ প্ৰশ্ন I wish I accept the job. I wish I accepted the job. Hurry up, the taxi wait. Hurry up, the taxi is waiting. 2001 চনৰ প্ৰশ্ন। They live in Delhi for 10 years. সিহঁতে 10 বছৰ ধৰি দিল্লীত বাস কৰি আছে। প্ৰেজেন্ট পাৰফেক্ট কণ্টিনিউৱাছ টেন্স। প্ৰেজেন্ট পাৰফেক্ট কণ্টিনিউৱাছ টেন্সৰ প্ৰশ্ন প্ৰায় দি থাকে। এনেকুৱা থাকিলে হেভ বিন বহাব লাগে। সেয়া তোমালোকে মোটামুটি ক্লাছ 6-7 পৰাই পাই আহিছা। ইয়াৰো উত্তৰ সেইটোৱেই হ'ব দে হেভ বিন লিভিং ইন দিল্লী ফৰ 10 years. এই টেন্সত হেভ বিন হেজ বিন এইবিলাক বহে আৰু কোন ক্ষেত্ৰত কি বহে সেই বিষয়ে ইতিমধ্যে তোমালোকে গম পাইছে। তাৰপিছৰ প্ৰশ্নটো দিছে she died after she suffered for 5 years. She died after she had suffered for 5 years. তাৰ পিছৰ প্ৰশ্ন 10 years passed since I met you. 10 years have passed since I met you. তাৰ পিছৰ প্ৰশ্ন when he came it be all over. When he came it was all over. He stay here until you return. He will stay here until you return. 2002 চনৰ প্ৰশ্নলৈ আহিছো। When he started for office, it still rained. When he started for office, it was still raining. I not meet my friend for ages. I have not met my friend for ages. If you request him, he would have helped you. If you had requested him, he would have helped you. She worked in this school since 1990. She has been working in this school since 1990. We two be friends for long. We two have been friends for long. এবাৰ আহিছোঁ 2003 চনৰ প্ৰশ্ন. We know each other for the last 10 years. We have known each other for the last 10 years. If I know his address, I would have contacted him. If I had known his address, I would have contacted him. এবাৰ আহিছোঁ তাৰ পিছৰ প্ৰশ্নলৈ. Look there, go the bus. Look there, go the bus. Look there goes the bus. এইবাৰ 2004 চনৰ প্ৰশ্নলৈ আহিছোঁ. He cannot play in the match as he injured his foot. He cannot play in the match as he has injured his foot. I wish I can help you. I wish I could help you. If I be you, I should not accept that post. If I were you, I should not accept that post. 2005 চনৰ প্ৰশ্ন অলপ বেলেগ ধৰণৰ আহিছিল. ABCD এনেকুৱা হিচাপত অহা নাছিল, পেৰাগ্ৰাফ হিচাপত দিছিল. মই দেখুৱাই আছোঁ. I hurried back to the room. তাৰপিছত ফিল আছে খালী ঠাইত. ইয়াতে কি বহিব, বহাব লাগিব. ইয়াতে হ'ব ফিলিং হ'ব. I hurried back to the room feeling very nervous, for it is much easier. খালী ঠাইত still আছে, still something. Then প্ৰথমে মই প্ৰশ্নটো পঢ়ি লৈছোঁ. I hurried back to the room, feel very nervous, for it is much easier, still something than to return it, understand. I opened the door quickly, then stand in the doorway, included moonlight. O'Neill was still asleep. I crept to the head of the bed and my hand come up with the knots. ইয়াৰে উত্তৰটো হ'ব I hurried back to the room feeling very nervous, for it is much easier to steal something than to return it, understand. I opened the door quietly, then stood in the doorway, included moonlight. O'Neill was still asleep. I crept to the head of the bed and my hand came up with the knots. এইবাৰ 2006 চনৰ প্ৰশ্নলৈ যাম. Father is not at home, he go out. Father is not at home, he has gone out. He reached the station before the train departed. ইয়াৰে উত্তৰটো হ'ব He had reached the station before the train departed. It's time we return home. It's time we returned home. ইডি যোগ হ'ব. 2007 চনৰ প্ৰশ্ন. The new teacher teaches us now for 6 months. The new teacher has been teaching us now for 6 months. Mohan reached home before it started raining. Mohan had reached home before it started raining. He told us that he never tell a lie. He told us that he would never tell a lie. এইবাৰ 2008 চনৰ প্ৰশ্নলৈ আহিছোঁ. 2008. Our teacher go to London last year. Our teacher went to London last year. যিহেতু এইটো past tense আছে, একেবাৰে সহজ দিছিল. John write a number of short stories. John has written a number of short stories. We should never tell a lie. We should never tell a lie. এইটো একেই থাকিব, কোনো পৰিৱৰ্তন নহয়. প্ৰেজেণ্ট ইনডিফিনিট টেন্স, চিৰসত্য কথা. 2009 আহিছিল. The lady slept while she climb the steps. The lady slept while she watched climbing the steps. We shall wait there until he came back. We shall wait there until he comes back. He talks as if he know everything. He talks as if he knew everything. এবাৰ গৈছো 2010 চনৰ প্ৰশ্নলৈ. He jumped off the bus while it moved. He jumped off the bus while it was moving. He said that he posted the letter. He said that he had posted the letter. He be a teacher since 1994. He has been a teacher since 1994. 2011 চনত আহিছিল. We know each other for 5 years. We have known each other for 5 years. এনেকুৱা আগতে এবাৰ দিছিল. The other day I meet a magician in the bazaar. The other day I meet a magician in the bazaar. meet to meet হ'ব. 2012 চনত আহিছিল. She said that she will help her friend. She said that she would help her friend. The boys play in the garden when the tree fell down. The boys were playing in the garden when the tree fell down. এবাৰ আহিছে 2013 চন 2013. I wish I be a king. I wish I were a king. The boy sleep, don't disturb him. The boy is sleeping, don't disturb him. একেবাৰে সহজ আহিছিল 2013 চনত. 2014 চনত আহিছিল. She read a book when I saw her. She was reading a book when I saw her. She be a teacher since 2002. She has been a teacher since 2002. এনেকুৱা আকৌ ইয়াৰ আগতেও দিছিল. 2015 চনত আহিছিল. The bell rang after we finished our work. The bell rang after we had finished our work. Please ring me up as soon as he come. Please ring me up as soon as he came. 2016 চনত আহিছিল. It is time we go to bed. It is time we went to bed. She behaves as if she know everything. She behaves as if she knew everything. এবাৰ গৈছো 2017 চনৰ প্ৰশ্নলৈ. If it rain we shall not go out. If it rains we shall not go out. We know each other for the last 10 years. এনেকুৱা আগতে আহিছিল. We have known each other for the last 10 years. এবাৰ গৈছো 2018 চনৰ প্ৰশ্নলৈ. If I be you I would not have called him again. If I were you I would not have called him again. এনেকুৱা আহিছিল আগতে. The principal is not in his room, he go out. The principal is not in his room, he went out. এবাৰ গৈছো 2019 চনৰ প্ৰশ্নলৈ. They live in Delhi for 10 years. They have been living in Delhi for 10 years. When he came it be all over. When he came it was all over. He stay here until you return. He will stay here until you return. এনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ প্ৰশ্ন আগতেও দিছিল. অৰ্থাৎ প্ৰায় একে ধৰণৰ প্ৰশ্ন বাৰে বাৰে দি থাকে. এবাৰ মই 2020 চনৰ প্ৰশ্ন লৈ যাম. 2020 চনত আহিছিল. I go there before she went. I had gone there before she went. 10 years passed since I meet you last. ইয়াৰে উত্তৰটো হ'ব 10 years had passed since I meet you last. তাৰ পিছৰটো দিছে. When she came I write a letter. When she came I was writing a letter. তো ভিডিওটো এইখিনিয়েই. পৰৱৰ্তী যদি তোমালোকে বিচৰা তেন্তে মই আৰু কিছুমান কাৰেক্টেন্স দি দিম. লগতে বেলেগ ইংৰাজী ব্যাকৰণ আৰু বেলেগ বিষয়ৰ ওপৰত আলোচনা কৰিম. চেনেলটো সাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰি ৰাখিবা. লগতে লাইক কমেণ্ট আৰু শ্বেয়াৰ কৰিবা. বন্ধু বান্ধৱীকো জনাবা. ভিডিওটো আজিলৈকে এইখিনিয়ে. শুভৰাত্ৰি. গুড নাইট.